Hey, HR change management people. Hello, all change management people. You are often dealing with people who are going through a big life change because you are the drivers of change in people's lives. And sometimes when we have rifts or an org change and people are given the opportunity to leave the organization and start a new life or find a new career or retire early, what do you hand them? What do you give them? How do they map out their future? I have gone through big life change and I created a change management process for myself because I never found the actual A, B, C, D, E, F, G step-by-step process that could pile drive through life's chaos, the Monday that always sucks you back into the old life, the old default mode. Big life change, new careers, new goals, starting a new business, writing a book, becoming a screenwriter, running a charity, doing that dream that you know you were meant to be unlocked and doing, is a really hard thing to get in motion in real life. You go to the Guru Inspo weekend retreat and you get inspired, but the how is very difficult when you get pulled back into your current life's default mode. So I literally built KindEdge.com as a change management process for myself because I'm a change management professional, because I didn't ever get in any self-help book or any guidance book or any methodology. I didn't get it's Sunday night. My brain is fuzzy, but I want to get at least an hour of good progress going on this project of me. We call it the KindEdge project of you. And so I built these stupid easy worksheets that get to clarity on one decision and hooks that decision to one next step. And with every single step, you actually build a project of you that then we build into a project plan, and it doesn't end. You get this going the course goes for 6 months, 6 months to a year, however long you want to do it. But it actually lasts forever because it's a lifelong methodology. It's a system that grows. So once we build the project of you, it's a system that grows and will never end because you will always, it's a long game. And so this system is going to be the foundation. We consciously curate everything in your life, the people, the environments, and the organizations that are part of your life, the objects that are part of your life. We consciously curate and re-choose everything. And then we get the project of you in motion. So when you have employees in the company who are being given the opportunity or impacted with the opportunity and decision that their life is going to change, you can go ahead and offer them the KindEdge steps. And that can get them in motion towards big life change. And if you want to test it out, hit me up, contact me. I'll give you a login code so that you can test it out before you recommend it to employees that you're working with. But for change management professionals and HR professionals and organization design professionals, you definitely want to have something in your back pocket like this, so that you can say, we're impacting your life with a big life change. Your career is going to change, or we're going to let you retire early, or we're making an org change. And this is the thing that's going to help you get clarity on what you want for your future, and then the step-by-step process to unlock that, to make it doable. And we do everything IRL. We print out worksheets, we do homework, we get that done today, and we hook it to the next task tomorrow, so no chain is left unbroken. This isn't just ideas in the back of your head. We bring the ideas out into real life and we get the action in motion, so that they can really be excited about their future. So as you're giving people maybe some difficult information about the way the organization is changing, you can give them the most positive message, which is clarity and excitement about their future and agency to take action, because we take action every day in KindEdge.com. So I hope you will check it out, and hit me up if you want some sort of help logging in and checking it out yourself so you can advocate for it. So cheers.